In this video, we will navigate on the Softdrive dashboard. Open up a browser. Go to https://dashboard.softdrive.co/ Use your credentials to log in. Once you log in, the home screen will show you the computer section, where you will see all Softdrive machines your organization has. On the left-hand side, you will see the menu for actions like computers, computer pools, templates, users, invoices, and so on. We can also see the help and support menu, where you will find useful information, report a bug, and contact Softdrive. On the very bottom, you have your account section, where you will be able to manage your account. Update name or last name. Now, let's dive into menu options one by one. First one, computers. Section where you will be able to see all your computers from your organization. This screen will let you know basic info from each device like status, if the computer is on or off, who is the owner of the computer, its size of the hard drive, the pool they belong to. You will also be able to edit the computer and see some details, as well as delete it. On the top of this screen, there is the search section where you can search either by computer, by name, by username of the computer. The grid button will let you change the view of the screen, either in list or grid. Then, the download option, where it lets you download into a CSV list of computers with all the details in it. And finally, we have the plus option to add new computers. Adding a new computer is an easy process, choosing few options like operating system, Windows, Windows Server. Next, we can choose a computer owner, the region where this computer will be hosted, the specs for your Softdrive machine. Like for instance, here, the first option, SD0, which is an option more than enough for most users in any organization. This will have a CPU with 4 cores, 16 gigs of RAM, and 2 gigs of video GPU. On the template options, you can get the default Windows 10 or 11 images. Companies can also have the option to create their own templates, including a baseline of apps needed for them. If you have specific requirements, you can send them a message. These requirements can be like extra storage. Softdrive can custom build this for you. They are really good in responding the requirements even in the next few hours. Next section is computer pools, which is a collective set of computers that can be easily shared among a team of members. You can create a new computer pool where you can enable or disable multiple connections to a single cloud computer. If you need to create a computer to belong to a computer pool, make sure the computer pool exists. Next section, templates. Softdrive lets you have computer template images, letting companies provision computers with Softdrive Chrome, Adobe, antivirus already pre-installed. The default templates offered are Windows 10, Windows 11 images. Companies have the option to create a custom template by pressing the plus button on the top right-hand side. Provide the operating image you need to have. Softdrive will email you within 24 hours when the upload completes. Next section, users. On this screen, like on the previous ones, We also have the search option, where we can search by user first name, last name, or email. We can edit the user or delete it. Editing a user will help you update name, last name, and the permission assigned to the user, like the team member status or the billing administration status. Having the billing status enabled will just show the billing section in the dashboard for this user. In order to create a new user, you can click on the top plus button and specify name, last name, email, and provide user administration access or not. Next section, Invoice, where we can see the invoices for your organization, the months, the status, the amount, and the option to download the invoice. Next, we have the organization settings. This is a section where you can configure security settings like second factor authentication, sign-in methods including email and password, Microsoft SSO, and OpenID Connect. Feature section where you can disable the copy-paste feature. On the network section, there are options for site-to-site VPN for business networks or enterprise, in case you want your Softdrive machines to access resources on a server located on-prem.